Hey, let me ask you a question. How much do you use Google search for ideas for your videos? Well, I want to show you several of the ways that I use Google search to come up with ideas for videos and things like that. It's really simple. In fact, there's like 5 ways you can actually find ideas. Let's hop on the computer and I'll show you how I use it. So let's just start typing here, and we're going to type in Final Cut. We'll just type in Final Cut Pro. It's already there. You see it as a search. So obviously when I type that in, it's going to go there. But here's one tip right here. I call it smart search. It's using this bar right here to see what other people are searching for. So if you notice, I don't do anything else, but look at all the other things that comes up. You see free download for Windows, for Mac, for iPhone. These are all ideas. Now, you can also do things like add an A, and these will give you more. So like there's Final Cut Pro add text, or you can do B. And if you notice, these are actual things people are looking for. But we're just going to we're just going to stick with Final Cut Pro. I tell you what, we'll call it. We'll leave it there, right there. So you also come down here. Here's the next tip: is this section right here. People also ask. So these are other things people are asking about. How much does it cost? Is it Mac only? Can I get it for free? Then when you click on these, it will even give you other, it's kind of like a deeper dive into people also asking. Now, another tip is to look at other videos and articles and vlogs that come up. So like here's one, here's a review. So that might be an idea. Wikipedia is not going to give you a lot, but you can notice some things here that, I tell you what, let's try editing. And we'll go with the editing tip. This video is sponsored by StreamYard. Now, StreamYard is what I use to live stream all the time because it is the easiest live streaming platform on the World Wide Web. You can stream to Facebook. You can stream to LinkedIn Live. You can stream to YouTube. You can do all that at the same time. You can even record videos. So if you want a simple, easy way to live stream, check out StreamYard. There's a link down in the description. You can try it for free. I think you're going to love it. StreamYard, the easiest way to live stream. So here's another tip. If you notice right now, unfortunately, this isn't my video, but this is something that Google is doing now. They're actually giving you chapters. Each one of these chapters could become another video idea. But while you're here, you can look at other, so here's something from Shutterstock, 9 beginner tips for editing that. One from a creative blog, the best video editing tips and tricks. These can be ideas. Then check this out. I call it related searches at the bottom, but these are also other searches that are related to this. In fact, here's some right here. Software, a tutorial. Now this is more about Premiere, but it could give you an example of doing that. So if you click on this, it opens a whole nother window, which gives you even more and more ideas. It's that simple. So if you got Google, you got a computer, which if you got a computer, you probably have Google, you can use it to search for ideas. In fact, I'd love to hear what idea you come up with for your next video. Let me know down in the comments. And if this video helped you in any way, consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel too. I'm Kevin. I am so glad you are here. Keep using your gifts to make an impact in the world, and I'll see you in the next video.